members and Igbo lovers all over the world. You are welcome to live class. This is the Igbo Tutor Live. And the title of our live session is Let's Talk Igbo Language Live. So if you are seeing me anywhere you are, from any part of the world, and you are interested in learning Igbo language, this is the hour, this is the time we've been waiting for. This is the moment we deal with Igbo language, we get ourselves educated, we learn new things concerning Igbo language, we understand new phrases, new words, new alphabets, new sentences, and we measure our level of progress in Igbo language. So wherever you are, you're a friend to Igbo, you're an Igbo lover, a business partner, you're married to Igbo, or you are just a child born by Igbo parents and you're having difficulty learning Igbo language or speaking the language, this is where to be. We are always here every Saturday by 2 p.m. West African time or 1300 GMT. So if you are interested in learning Igbo language from any part of the globe, this is the moment you've been waiting for. Join up now, where we start in a few minutes from now, exactly to 1300 GMT or 2 p.m. West African time. This lesson will start. So you do well to begin to join now, because we will start in earnest. We will not really wait for anybody. So wherever you are and you're part of this class, this is the time to join up. Do not waste time. Do not wait for anybody. Just begin to join wherever you are. You're seeing me now. This is the Igbo tutor, Mazi Okafor. You're welcome, Steve or not. You're welcome. Ademoma Sivon, Ademoma no na class. I hope you are hearing me. Sivon, if you are hearing me, please indicate you are hearing me now. Say Anama Nogi, or I'm hearing you. You are the first to come to class today. You're welcome to class. Please indicate you are hearing me as we move forward. Sivon, indicate you are hearing me so that we can be sure my mic is working. Okay? While we wait for others to join up now, this is the Igbo Tutor Live. Mazi Okafor, Onye Nkuzi Igbo. Wherever you are, you're a part of this class, or you're seeing me now, and maybe you are not aware of this. This is the Igbo Tutor Live. This is a free teaching live, online, without any tuition, any pay, without costing you anything. Just come and learn Igbo language from anywhere you are, in any part of the world. We will really take you at the level you are and take you to a greater level, greater height. Perhaps you have subscribed to one or two Igbo learning channels and you're not getting the best. This is where to be actually. Or you have subscribed to the channel, but you think you don't know how much progress you have made, even to our own channel. All our subscribers are expected to be in this particular class so that we can measure a level of progress in our learning. It's not enough to watch Igbo teaching videos. You need to, challenge yourself. You need to understand the words. You need to speak it. You need to know how well you are, progressing in this your new or found passion. Let me see yet, but I'm just going out to my car. We lose the signal temporarily. Okay, she but not say she's hearing me, but going to her car. Right. So please, wherever you are, begin to join up now. The class will start very soon. We will not wait for anybody once it is time to begin. So it is better you join on time. We agreed on the time. You know the time. It is 2 p.m. Nigerian time or West African time or 1300 GMT. So you are expected to block off your calendar and your schedules and make time for this lesson. So we are not supposed to be waiting for you to come to class. So wherever you are, please join up now. That will save us the challenge of going back to what we have done already or repeating what we have done before. The earlier we join, the better for all of us. So we can all be carried along and we'll be able to learn as much as we wish each day. Chikezie, you're welcome to class. So the earlier we join class, the better for all of us. We will not extend our class beyond the time specified. For those who have other schedules, other assignments, who have other commitments, they can be able to, maintain their time given for this lesson and then go off for other assignments. So it's good you join the class on time. If you've joined our class and have not mentioned your name, better drop a greeting for us. Ndewo, no, dalo. Let's just welcome you. Ibo, no, na class. Chikezie, no. Shiba, not, no. Who are the rest who have joined our class but have not dropped their greeting? Do that so that we can acknowledge your presence. and give you our salutation. Ka anyị kelee gị nke ọma, ya bụ ị nọrọ na klaasị a ugbu a na ikelebeghị anyị, biko kelee anyị ka anyị wee mara aha gị ma nabata gị na klaasị nke ọma. If you are in this class now, you've not greeted us, drop your greetings so that we can pick your name and then welcome you officially to Igbo class. So wherever you are, as we want to start now, wherever you are, see me right now on your screen, or this video have been sent to you, or you're seeing it now. This is the Igbo Tutor Live. What we do here is to learn Igbo language on the go. And this channel is dedicated to teaching Igbo language in a special way. Today, our topic of live session is always, let's talk Igbo language live. So it's a live session. So wherever you are, you have to join up. You're a friend of Igbo, you are Igbo business partner, you are Igbo fiancé or fiancé, you are Igbo child born by Igbo parents, but you don't understand Igbo language very well. Maybe you are born outside Igbo land, or you are living in a country where Igbo is not a major language, or you have no one around you with whom to practice speaking Igbo language. This is the reason why you must be here, so that we can help you to improve on your Igbo learning. By also joining us, you'll be able to measure your level of progress in your Igbo language learning journey. All our subscribers are supposed to join this live class so that we can measure our level of progress and also see how to help us as we make progress together. Serena Kido, you are welcome. Okay, this is the first time you are joining our class. You are highly welcome. No, talking to Serena. No, please remember the usual request I used to make before we begin, that you have to like this live session by clicking the like button either above or under your screen. Then hit the share button too, so that this video can go out to more people so that they can join this class. This is the least assignment or the least exercise or the least assistance we expect from you as you join this class. Now we want to begin. As I told you, we will not wait for anybody. This is 3 minutes behind schedule. So we're kicking off right away. If I've not mentioned your name, or if I've not welcomed you to class, it could be because you've not dropped your greeting. You've not said something to us. So say something so that we can pick your name and welcome you officially to class. Serena is joining us for the first time. Serena, if I'm right, say yes. This is the first time of you joining Igbo class live. Serena, I'm talking to you now. Kido, is this the first time? If it is so, please indicate by saying yes. So we move on together. Now, last week, we continued our session. Of course, this particular teaching series, this particular topic and issue we're dealing with now will be concluded today. Yeah, Serena, this is the first time. No. So this session we're dealing with will be concluded today. So we hope to cover all the remaining words in this series to Z, today, Z, so that we can, from next week, move into another form of learning entirely. So you will do well to follow through as we round up this session today. And now, can someone remind us of what we did last Saturday? What was the last word we dealt with or we considered last Saturday? What is the last word? Yeah? Who can remind us? While we wait for that, please remember to hit the like button of this live session. For this live session, it could be above your screen or below. Just find where it is. Hit the like button, hit the share button, so that this live session can go out to more people, to bring them in, to join us to learn. That is the least assistance you can render in appreciation for what we do for you. So do that now, and God will bless you for doing that. Okay? Well, I'm waiting for the last word we considered last Saturday. I do hope everybody is hearing me clearly. Okay? What is the last word we considered last Saturday? Yes? Can somebody help me do that? Drop the last word we considered last Saturday. Okay? What was the last word? Oh, there was even not. Everybody? Okay, what was the last word we considered last Saturday? Before we move on today, waiting for that. Drop it now if you remember. If you are taking notes, I expect you to be taking notes to, have something to fall back on in the future or as we make progress. Yeah? What was the last word we considered last Saturday? I'm waiting for that. Who will remind us? Who will remind us the last word, the last Igbo word we considered last Saturday? What was that? Okay, ulog. Yeah, ulog. Let me be sure. Can anybody confirm that that was the last word we considered last Saturday? Any other person confirming that we stopped at ulog hospital? Or did we cover hospital last week? I stopped at umyopupu, bone marrow. That is what I have in my notes. Did we cover ulog? Okay, Chikeze confirming that we covered ulog last week. That's fine. So we move on from there. The first word we're considering today is voro aqua, voro aqua, voro aqua, voro aqua, voro aqua. Can you write the word? For those of you who are joining for the first time today, this Igbo word drill goes this way. We're dealing with Igbo word drill, and it goes in 3 phases. Number 1 is that we're going to drop the Igbo word. You listen to me carefully, understand the pronunciation, and try to see if you can write that word in the chat session with the right spelling, with the right alphabet. So when you write it correctly, we now move to the second stage. Second stage is to determine the meaning of that particular word that we are looking at. What is the meaning of the word? When we have determined that and got it right, we now go to making a very short and simple sentence with that word. That way, if we are able to pass these 3 stages, we would have established knowledge of Igbo alphabets, Igbo sound, word sound, Igbo word meaning. Then we're able to construct a simple sentence using the Igbo word. That will help to deepen our knowledge of that particular word and then ingrain it in our mind so that next time we will not forget it. That's the procedure we're following. So you follow us for those newcomers as we move on in this direction. Thank you for that, patience. The Igbo said, "Biko kwue ya ozo," meaning I should please say it again. Yeah, I will do that. What I said is voro aqua, voro aqua. Chikeze has written something concerning that. Okay, I believe Igbo had me right now. Voro aqua. I hope my mic is clear enough. Voro aqua, voro aqua. That's the last time I'm saying it. It's dictation. So you are supposed to listen carefully. Okay, who else is trying? One person has dropped. Yeah, voro aqua. Okay, I got Igbo response. Any other person trying? Shiva not. EE, you are welcome. You are welcome to class. EE, voro aqua. Okay, EE. I wish EE would give us his or her correct name. Actually, this you are EE. I don't really understand, and it's not comfortable for me. I wish I know your name. I want to mention people by name, but this you are EE. Is a bit serious name. If you can do us a favor by dropping your name, I wish to be calling you by name. Okay, talking to EE now. Thank you. It's Enyina. Okay, Enyina. Okay, I'm writing it down so that I can remember next time. Enyina. No, thanks for obliging me very much. God bless you. Okay, so Enyina has written, Shivanot has written, Voroakwa, Igbo has written, my friend Chikezie has written. Any other person trying the word Voroakwa? Any other person trying? Any other person trying? Okay, we are not yet so many in the class, so I believe these are the people who knows what I said. Any other person will listen, I hope so. If you don't understand, you listen for the final answer, and then you pick it up from there. So let's look at what we wrote. Voro aqua. Let me start from Chikezie. Voro aqua. Igbo voro aqua. Okay, Enyinaya. Okay, voro aqua. Okay, Enyinaya tried. Shiva not. Voro aqua. Good. All of you got it except Enyinaya. Not that Enyinaya didn't get it, but I don't know whether he has not been able to download or install Igbo alphabet keyboard in his phone. Enyinaya, have you not been able to do that? Because we expect you to be typing in Igbo by now. So what is the problem? Enyina, have you not downloaded, have you not installed the Igbo keyboard in your phone or computer? What is the problem? I believe you should have done it by now. Okay? So except for Enyina, who did not use the right you with dot under, every other person got it perfectly right. So we go to the next stage, and the next stage is, what is the meaning of the word voro aqua? What is the meaning of the word? Yeah, let's drop the meaning. Okay, what is the meaning? What is the meaning of the word voro aqua? Gịnị ka ọ pụtara n'asụsụ Igbo? Okwu a bụ voro aqua. Gịnị ka ọ bụ n'olu Igbo? Gịnị ka ọ bụ n'asụsụ Igbo? Okay, I have it. It did not take for the word voro. Why not? It will surely take that. If you have it, what you are supposed to do, Enyina, is to press you down. When you press your you down, it will display options of you without dot under and you with dot under and other options like that. You will now pick the option you want to use at that particular time. That's how to use it. That's if you are using phone. If you are using phone. But if you are using computer, if you have installed it in your computer, you will see where they write English at the taskbar under your computer, at the taskbar. You will see the keyboard language. You will see English. You click on it. Okay, yeah, you got it now. You click on it and it will show you English and Igbo. You now choose Igbo. If you are using computer or laptop, you now choose Igbo. From then, anytime you want to type Igbo alphabet, you just press down the Alt key, not Alt key, GR key, and then press the alphabet. It will give you what you want. Okay, that's fine. So Enyina has gotten that voro. That's fine. Okay, what is the meaning of the word? Now that's where we are. Chikeze wrote hatch an egg. Yes, any other option? Any other option? Any other option? Yeah, waiting for others to drop their own option. Voro aqua, the Igbo meaning for that word. Yes. Who else is giving us the meaning of the word voro aqua in Igbo language? Voro aqua. Somebody wrote hatch an egg. Okay, any other attempt? Or is it only the class captain that is giving us option? No other person is challenging? What are the rest waiting for? If you don't know it, just say, am I Mia? I don't know it, so that we can move on, so that we don't delay ourselves. If you don't know, say, I don't know it. Am I Mia? So we move on from there. Yeah? Perhaps you are seeing us now. This is the Igbo tutor live. We're dealing with Igbo lesson live, free live Igbo lesson. So wherever you are, seeing us right now, join up this class. And as you come in, the first thing to do is to subscribe to our channel and then ensure that you follow what we do here, follow the instructions, and then learn on the go. And also, there are other things we're going to explain to you as time goes on. Am I Mia? Okay. But you will say, am I Mia? Any other person making an effort? Or they don't know, you don't know it also, you can simply say, I don't know it also. Let's move on. Anybody else trying? Voro aqua? Any other person trying? Or every other person does not know it? Yeah, waiting for your response. Enyina, give me your response. Siobhan, what's your response? Any idea? While we wait for others to come in. Any idea? Yeah, waiting for you. Any idea of this? Is Serena still here or Serena has gone? Serena, are you still here? Serena, are you still here? Are you still here with us? Okay, somebody say, Enyina say, take the egg. Okay, good effort. It's obvious that many of you don't know the meaning of the word. Okay, the class captain, Chike is here. Okay, Serena say, I'm still here. Okay, that's fine. Okay, you've not gone. Beautiful. So, it's obvious that many of you don't know it. Okay, so Serena, don't just listen. Try to write something, even if it's not perfectly okay. You can still write something. Okay, but what you need to do, I may also have to do with crying. Okay. In this case, this aqua is egg, not crying. If it is crying, it becomes high, aqua. But this is low, high, aqua. Okay, so that is the difference. I'm sure, Enina, if you have, bought our Igbo book on Igbo tone marks, you'll be very familiar with this. So if you've not done that, please do go to our channel description. You'll see a link to our Igbo ebook shop. Buy the Igbo tone mark. You'll get the Igbo aqua as a word have 4 different meanings depending on the tone mark. Okay, so Enina, try to get our book on Igbo tone mark. You will master everything perfectly before the next lesson. Is that okay? Okay, so please do that, Enina. I'm talking to you now. Very important. Okay, let's move on. So Chikezie got it almost correct. Okay. Okay, Enina say, I have all the books. I have to read that one. Yeah, go and read it if you have it. You have the material with you already. Go and read it. Okay, Enina. Oh, Enina, you are in our WhatsApp group. Yeah, remember, Enina. Yeah, remember now. So you are in our WhatsApp group. Go and read up that book on Igbo tone mark. Very, very rich. You get all that sorted out. Okay? So now, McDonald, Chikezie got it, but the word is in past tense. It's not hatch and egg. Okay? It's not hatch and egg. It's in past tense. Voro, aqua is past. So if it is present, it is vor, aqua, hatch and egg. So McDonald Chikezie wrote in present tense, vor, aqua, hatch, egg, or hatch and egg. But voro, aqua is the past tense of vor, aqua is voro, aqua. I believe Igbo will understand this very well because we're dealing with that now in our private class. So voro, aqua, the past tense is the word here is in past tense, voro. But the present is vor. The past is voro, okay? So it's hatched an egg. Hatched in past tense. That is what we should know here. Hatched an egg. Aqua is egg. Vor is hatch. Vor, hatch. In fact, that's about the only word in Igbo that starts with the alphabet V. You may not find another one again. It's very unique. Vor, hatch. Okay? So I believe that is clear enough. Okay, that's great. Chikezie has corrected that. Okay, so we move on from here to the next word. So the next word is welite olu. Welite olu. Welite olu. Write it now. Write it now. Welite olu. Okay. Oh, yeah. Igbo is correcting me that I've not made a sentence with voro aqua. Sorry about that. Let's make our sentence. Ọkụkọ anyị voro aqua. Ọkụkọ anyị voro aqua. Okay, write it in Igbo and tell us the meaning in English. Ọkụkọ anyị voro aqua. Ọkụkọ anyị voro aqua. Write that. That is an Igbo sentence. Short one. Write it and tell us the meaning. Ọkụkọ anyị voro aqua. Okay, Igbo has written that. Yeah, that's perfect. Perfect. Who else is writing that? Ọkụkọ anyị voro aqua. Okay? Who else is writing that? Chikezie, where is your own? Igbo is trying to overtake you. Don't accept that, class captain. Oh yeah, I'm waiting. Ọkụkọ anyị voro aqua. Write that word in Igbo language. Write it now. Ọkụkọ anyị voro aqua. My Olosa use boro. Okay, that is your local balance. That is not central Igbo. Okay, it's not acceptable. That is your local balance. It's not a central Igbo. It's not acceptable. Boro is voro. Okay, so I didn't say you should tell us the meaning. I said you should write it first in Igbo. Follow instruction. No. Write the word, the sentence first before we now deal with the meaning. Enina, you are jumping now. Okay, you wrote it at the end. Ọkụkọ anyị voro aqua. Okay, Enina, you wrote it at the end. Okay, ọkụkọ anyị voro aqua. Okay, Serena, I'm sure you don't have the Igbo alphabet, Igbo keyboard yet. You go to your keyboard setting, go to language, and then look for Kwati Igbo. Pick it, and then install it into your phone. Your keyboard will be toggled between English and Igbo. When you want to use Igbo, press the key down. It will show you options of O with dot under, U with dot under, N with dot on top, and other variations of Igbo alphabet. Do that, Serena, and you will always flow with us as we do this together. Thank you for doing that. I also want to, okay, Serena has written that's why how to get the Igbo alphabets perfectly in your phone or computer. Very important. Okay. Okay, that's great. That's great. Many people have written okay. Okay, that's great work. Great work. Okay. And then engineer has already written the meaning. Our chicken hatched an egg, and I accept that. That is the meaning. Our chicken. That is our chicken. Voragwa hatched an egg. It may not even be one egg. Hatched egg. Voragwa. It may just say hatched egg, because if it's an egg, it be only one egg, but it could be many. Okay, that's great. All right, that's done. Now we go to the next word. I've already given the word, and then somebody has written, which is welite olu. Welite olu. Drop the word. Somebody has dropped it already, but this is the time to do it. Welite olu. Are we there? Welite olu. Write it down. Write it in the chat. Write it in the chat. Welite olu. Yes. Waiting for that. Welite olu. Great. Igbo has written that before. I wait for others to do the same. What is the meaning of the word? What is the word? Welite olu in Igbo. Okay. Welite olu. Okay. Somebody wrote velite. I didn't say velite. Igbo, I hope you heard me. You wrote something else. You use V to start. I never use V. I said welite olu. You better correct yourself now before I mark this script. Igbo, correct yourself. I didn't say velite. I said welite olu. Okay, Serena, that's good effort. That's good effort. Welite olu. Okay. Yeah, I'm waiting for others. Okay, Igbo, you have corrected yourself. Welite olu. Okay, Ninaya. Welite olu. Okay, even though you didn't write olu, you wrote alo. Talking to engineer now, you wrote alo. There's a difference between O with dot under and O without dot under. O. In this case, we said olu. So I leave you to correct yourself, engineer. Welite olu. Okay, welite olu. Clement Emehe, you're welcome to class. Deo. No. So welite olu is the word we're dealing with. Clement, write your own. Welite olu. Welite olu. Yeah, write your word before we deal with the meaning of the word. Yeah, waiting for you now. Welite olu. Welite olu. Who else is writing before we mark? Who else is writing before we mark the script? Welite olu. Perhaps you are seeing this class, this live Igbo class, free of charge. Wherever you are in any part of the world, you are free to learn Igbo language. Your Igbo business partner, Igbo friend, Igbo neighbor, Igbo fiancé, or Igbo wife or husband, Igbo child, born by Igbo parent outside Igbo land, who is interested in learning Igbo language, your native language. This is where to be. Join this class now for free. Learn Igbo language, and perhaps you are also learning before. You've subscribed to YouTube channel and you'll be learning Igbo language. What other way can you measure your progress if not joining this live class? From here, you can measure your level of progress and know where you need improvement. That's why you need to be in this live class. Of course, we expect all our subscribers to always join this live class, through which we can help you further and then measure your level of progress and find out whether there is other ways we can help you to improve. So all our subscribers, you are expected to join this live class every Saturday. Elenozua, welcome to class. Okay. Yes, I wrote work by accident. Welite olu. Okay, that's great. Okay, that's fine. So we deal with the meaning of the word now. Now drop the meaning of the word. Welite olu. Drop the meaning. But almost all of you got the word correct, except engineer that corrected himself now. Igbo also made mistake and corrected himself. Serena separated the word welite. It should be together. Don't separate it. Okay? Talking to Serena now. Except that every other person got it right. Okay? Meaning, Igbo wrote to raise voice. Okay, I wait for others to write. What is the meaning of the word welitolu in Igbo language? Welite olu. What does that mean in Igbo language? Increase the volume, raise the voice, like what Chikezie wrote. Yes, I wait for others. Enyina, drop your own. What are others? Ozua, drop your own. The meaning of the word welite olu. Write it now. I'm waiting for you. Drop it. Tick tock, tick tock. Time is moving. Drop your word now. And if you are in this class, you've not hit the like button of this live session, whether it's up on your screen or below, hit the like button. That's the least you do for us when you join this live class. Hit the share button and share this video out, this live session out. That's the least you can do for us to, publicize what we do and bring in more audience to join us. That is the least you can do to appreciate us. Do that now if you have not done that. Thank you for doing that. Now, Sorosoke and Ibiakwa. Chikezie, you don't come, you don't go to another language. You want to teach Yoruba also. Okay, rise your voice or talk louder. Okay, that is Enyina. Great. Raise. Okay, that's what you wanted to write. Raise your voice or talk louder. Any other option? Any other option? If you have not written up till now, okay, let's look at the option to raise voice. Okay, to raise voice is iwelitolu. Remember our lesson, don't miss it. Iwelitolu, that is to raise. But this case, I said welite olu. So don't say what I did not say. So let's see what Chikeze wrote. Increase the volume, raise the voice. That is the perfect word. Raise the voice. Welite olu. If I say welite olugi, it becomes raise your voice. But in this case, it's welite olu, so it's raise the voice. That's fine. Chikezie, you did well. Ozua, raise your voice. Okay, that's what I was just correcting. If I say raise your voice, it becomes welite olugi. I'm particular about it. Olugi. So in this case, welite olu is raise the voice. Okay, now I look at Enyina. Raise your voice or talk louder. Okay, it's also applicable. Talk louder is also part of this. Either talk louder or raise the voice. That is still correct. Ndewo, Dr. Abdullahi. Now, welcome to live class, Doctor. Let's do this together. We move to the next word, and the next word is what is. What are we doing? Again, the next word is we ulo. We ulo. Write the word we ulo. Write the word now. We ulo. Yes. Waiting for you. Drop it now. Some of you have not clicked the like button. You have not hit the share button. That is not fair to your teacher at all. That is not fair. That is not fair. It doesn't cost you money to hit the like button. It doesn't cost you any other thing. Just your finger, your thumb. That's all. Why won't you do that for your teacher? You are not following instructions. Some of you have not hit the like button. You've not hit the share button. That is not fair enough for you. Please do that. That is the least request from your teacher. Do that. Okay. Okay. Now, me again. I didn't make sentence. Me again. I didn't make sentence. Sorry. Let's go back to sentence. I'm being drawn back. I'm jumping too fast. Okay. Welite olu. Welite olu ka anyị nụ gị. 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 Okay? Welite olu ka anyị nụ gị. Okay? That's the sentence. So, before you crucify me, Chikezie and the Igbo, I am giving the sentence now. Don't crucify me. Write it now. Welite olu ka anyị nụ gị. Okay, Igbo has written. Welite olu ka anyị nụ gị. Igbo, you are too much. You are on fire. You want to challenge the class captain today. There is contest today. So it's like this class captainship will be left open for now. Let's know who is taking it. Chikezie wrote, welite olu ka anyị nụ gị. Igbo is challenging for class captainship. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. So it's still left open for today's class. Who is going to be the class captain? Yeah. The two people contesting for class captainship has written Igbo and Chikezie, welite olu ka anyị nụ gị. Okay? Enyina, welite olu ka anyị nụ gị. Great. Dr. Blahi, welite olu ka anyị nụ gị. Dr. Blahi, check your typo. There are typographical errors in your typing. You wrote website instead of welite. I think you should go back to that, doctor. Okay, Chikezie, welite olu maka ndị nọ n'azụ. Okay, you are going extra. That is not what I said anyway. Ellen Ozua, welite olu ka anyị nụ gị. Okay, Clement, welite olu ka anyị nụ gị. Great. Who else is writing? Good effort from everybody. Good effort. I also thank those of you who listened to my instruction and has already hit the like button. I appreciate those of you who have done that. God bless you. But those who have not hit the like button and share button, do that now. That's the least you can do for your teacher for this live session. Okay, let's move on. Welite olu ka anyị nụ gị. Yeah, we're going to mark this script now. I don't know if anybody is still writing. Let's see. Igbo wrote first. Welite olu ka anyị nụ gị. Perfect. Chikezie, welite olu ka anyị nụ gị. Perfect. Enyina, welite olu ka anyị nụ gị. Perfect. Dr. Blahi, I say you should correct what you wrote, his website, and the olu is not correct. Okay, but you tried. Good effort. Okay, Chikezie, okay, something else. Ellen Ozua, welite olu ka anyị nụ gị. Ellen Ozua, your no is not okay. Your no does not have dot under the U. Clement Emehe, welite olu ka anyị nụ gị. Perfect. You all made a good effort. That's a good try, a good one, except for Dr. Abdullahi and Ellen Ozua that had little corrections to make. But let's look at others and make our corrections in our book if we are writing. Now we are dealing with the next word. Weulo. Weulo. That's the next word. Has anybody written that? Okay. Ozua, you have done your correction. Fine. That's fine. If you have joined this class, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. If you're a new member, a new student joining our live class, the first thing to do is to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And then for those of you coming in newly today, please remember we have our ebook shop, Igbo bookshop that will be of benefit to you. Go to our channel description after this class and you open the channel description, you see a link to our ebook shop where we have about 10 Igbo books there that are very interesting. They have both text and audio that will help you to prepare yourself very well against next class. When you buy the book, download it, you will open the audio, download the audio, and then it will be resident in your phone or computer memory for life. You don't need to buy again. And when you download the text and the audio, you are having access to them when you are online and when you are offline. You don't need to be online to listen to the lesson again. So we have ebook and audiobook for the price of one, and so cheap, between $1 to $3. You buy any of them. So if you've not bought them, those of you who are joining our class today, and even the old members that have not bought some of them, please buy them today, and you'll be glad you did. Even this video we are doing, this live session, in the description box, you will see a link to it, and then other previous live sessions, you also see a link to it in the description box, and in the comments that is pinned also under that video, you will see a link to our bookshop. Buy one today, buy two, buy three, you can buy all of them. In fact, to buy all will cost you about only $25 to buy everything. That is so small for you. Do that today, and you'll be glad you did. Let's move on. Our next word is weulo. 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 Okay, many people have written weulo. Okay. Who is writing again? Welite olu ka anyị nụ gị. Okay, Dr. Abdullahi, you've done your correction. That's great. That's perfect. Now, doctor, we have moved on to the next word, and the word now is weulo. Weulo. Yeah, many people have written. Let's see what we have written. Who wrote first? Weulo. Chikezie wrote first. Weulo. Ellen Ozua. Weulo. Not we. We is clothes. But I said we. Not we. It starts with W. It didn't start with U. It's not we. We is clothes. But this is. So, sorry, there's a little interruption. Sorry about that. There is a little interruption. Please confirm if you are still hearing me as we move on. Please confirm that I'm still online. Somebody interrupted our discussion. Okay, so am I still audible? Are you still hearing me? Please confirm that. Okay, and let's look at what we have written. Chikezie wrote Uwe Ulo W-E-E. Okay, perfect. Igbo, Uwe, no. I say Uwe, W-U-E is the word. Clement, Uwe, no. Okay. Serena, Kidi, Uwe Ulo is Uwe, W-U-E, not W-E. Okay. Enyina, Uwe Ulo, no. It's Uwe. Ablahi, Uwe Ulo, perfect. Elinozua, corrected. Okay. Okay, I'm still audible enough. Okay. Okay, that's fine. Okay, yeah. Okay. And I'm a Nogi Ofuma. Great. So the word is W-U-E, then Ulo, U-L-O with dot under U and O. That's perfect. Almost all of you got it right. The meaning now, what is the meaning of the word? Ulo. Okay. And now you have corrected yourself. Fine. What is the meaning of the word? Ulo. What is the meaning of the word? Yeah, drop the meaning of the word in Igbo. The Igbo word, Ulo. What does it mean? What does that mean? And if you are here in this class and you have not hit the like button, you have not hit the share button of this live session, you are not my friend, though. You are not my friend. Do that for me. Okay, Igbo wrote, build a house. Chikezie wrote, build house. Okay, I'm waiting for others to tell me their own story, their meaning of the word, Uwe Ulo. Elinozua, build a house. Great, great, great. I like the contest. Yeah, who else? Who else is dropping? Who else is dropping? Joy Martin Amadi, build a house. Joy Martin, welcome to Igbo class. Welcome to live class of Igbo lesson. Joy, is it the first time you are joining our live class? Indicate by saying A or for no. Joy, is that the first time you are joining us? I'm sure I'm not. I can't remember seeing your name before. Okay. Joy said yes. Oh, that's great. Joy, no, you are highly welcome. Okay. Engineer wrote build or raise a house. Okay. Waiting for others. Dr. Blahi, build a home. Great. Joy say, that's fine. Serena, build a house. I love your responses. Yeah. Joy Martin, one name why. Okay, Joy, where are you joining from? Which part of the world? We want to know where you are joining from. Serena, you too, let us know which part of the world are you joining from? Nigeria, African country, Asia, UK, US, Canada. Let's know where you are joining from. Talking to Joy Martin, Samadi, and Serena. Let's know where you are joining from. Joy is from UK. How about Serena? Where are you? Canada. That's great. Great, great, great. Okay, now we move on. The word we are considering is ulo, and we have all done well by saying the meaning of the word is build house, build a house, build house, build a house. All are correct. Okay, let's have a sentence now. I'm going to give you a sentence in English. You convert it to Igbo now. Build your house quickly. Build your house quickly. Now, write it in Igbo language. Build your house quickly. Write that in Igbo language. Yeah. Write that in Igbo language. Yeah, I'm waiting for you to write that in Igbo language. Build your house quickly. Some people did not hear all I said, though. They are writing. Okay, build your house quickly. Joy. Ruo ụlọ gị. Okay, Clement, wuo ụlọ gị ọsịsọ. Chikezie, wuo ụlọ gị ngwa ngwa. Acceptable too. Serena, wuo ụlọ gị ọsịsọ. Acceptable. Joy Martin, ruo ụlọ gị. I love that option. That's my local balance. Ruo ụlọ. Okay, Ablahi, wuo ụlọ gị. But Joy, what we are using here is wuo. So we are following that, what we use as a word to make the sentence. So it is wuo that we are using. But his raw is also acceptable. Joy, it's obvious you don't have the Igbo keyboard. You need to install it into your phone. Go to your keyboard setting. Go to language, keyboard setting. Select Kwati Igbo, and then install it in your phone. Your keyboard will toggle between Igbo and English. If you want to press an alphabet that has dot under, press it down and then hold it down. It will show you option of alphabet with dot under, or you choose it, or dot on top. You choose it. Talking to Joy Martins. Did you hear me, Joy? Please indicate you understand what I said. Imo State use raw login. Okay, that's fine. That we have many balance. Okay. Kokavulu. Okay. From Oakland, CA. You're welcome to Igbo class. Are you want this? Your name doesn't sound so jaw breaking. Okay. Kokavulu. Okay. Why do you want to learn Igbo language? Are you related to Igbo friend, Igbo business partner, born by Igbo parents, or Igbo lover? Why do you want to learn Igbo language? I'm talking to Lumukanda. Why do you want to learn Igbo language? You just love learning Igbo, speaking Igbo, have Igbo friends, Igbo business partner. Why? Just let us know. Fine. We are moving on, and the word we're looking at is Weologi or say so. Let's mark the script because of time. Move back. Who wrote first? Elinozua say Weologi, but she forgot to put or say so quickly. Okay? Ibo wrote Weologi or say so. Okay? That's perfect. That's perfect. Joy. Weologi. You didn't put or say so. Is one thing missing in your response. Okay? Now, Clement Emehe, Weologi or say so perfect. Chikezie Weologi ngwa ngwa is also acceptable. Either or say so or ngwa. Both are acceptable. Serena, Weologi or say so. I guess Serena doesn't have the Igbo keyboard yet. Otherwise, you should use it if you have it. Weologi ozigbo. Enyina, say ozigbo. Even though you want to use ozigbo, the way you spell it is not correct. It is ozugbo. It is Ozugbo. If you want to use ozugbo. But also so is more central than ozugbo. Okay? Joy, Weologi. Ablahi, Weologi. Ablahi didn't put so. You omitted that. Okay? Lumukanda, you have not, okay, Igbo is good. Okay, you're a lover of Igbo language. Thank you for loving us. We love you too. Mr. Lumukanda, we love you. All right. Joy, Igbo still use Ulo. I'm not saying every part of Igbo land have their own balance, have their own, intonations, but we are looking at the central one. Even up till now, some of you have not clicked the like button. That is not fair enough. We move to the next word, and the next word is yiri. Oh, yiri, not yiri, yiri, yiri. Write the word in the chat, yiri. Okay, that's what it's time. We catch up. Okay, that's fine. Thank you for coming up to catch up with us. Okay, yiri is the word. Write that in the chat, yiri. Yiri. Okay, people are dropping that already. So people are dropping that. Ozua wrote jiri. I hope I guess you didn't hear me well. I said yiri. Okay, you've corrected yourself now. Ozua. Okay, Serena, yeri. Good effort, but that's not what I wrote. Okay. Okay, Clement Emehe, yiri. Great effort. Who else is dropping? Oh yeah. Why I'm waiting for you to do that. I want to thank you all for being with me. Our channel has been partly monetized, and that means that you can buy super chat for us. You can buy super sticker in this live session. Any of them you can do for us to appreciate our effort. You can buy super sticker for us in this live session as we are going on now. You can also buy super chat for us so that your chat can stand out. You just look for a token. So in a way of appreciating us, our effort, our commitment, and then helping us to cover our bills and come online every time and then get the things we need to teach you. You can as well support us by buying super chat for us, buying super sticker for us. And as you do, we will appreciate, and God will bless you for supporting this effort to teach everybody around the world Igbo language. So don't forget to do that as we move on now. Give us a super chat. Give us a super sticker. We will appreciate that. Okay? So Tochi, you're welcome to class. we are welcome to class. And all our new students that are coming for the first time, you have an assignment. You need to buy our Igbo ebooks. They are specially made for you, beginners, where you can learn the alphabets, the Igbo numbers, and two-letter words, and every other thing you need to know on a basic level. These, our books are all available. Go to our channel, subscribe to our channel, go to the channel description, you will see a link to our bookshop. Click on it, take you to our shop, where you will buy as many as you want. Even this video and other live videos, you open the description box to see a link to our channel, to our bookshop. Buy all of them today, 10 of them in number, with just $25. You buy all of them. Do that today, and you'll be glad you did. So the word we are dealing with is yiri. Okay, many of you got it right. Let me look at all you wrote, and I think they are all correct. From Chikezie yiri, to Igbo yiri, to Ozua. No, Joy wrote yiri. GH, that's not, it's only Y. Okay, Ellen Ozua yiri. Okay, Serena wrote something else, which is Serena, you wrote yeri. No, it's yiri. Clement yiri. Enyina yiri. Okay. Tochi, where are you joining from? Which part of the world are you joining us from? You are greeting us good morning. So let's know the part of the world you are joining from. Dr. Blahi, Iri, not Iri. I say Iri, not Iri. It's Iri. Okay. Lumumba. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Igbo. Thank you, Igbo, for the sticker. Thank you, Igbo, for the sticker. We appreciate. We are also hoping that others will also give us stickers. God bless you, Igbo. We move on from here. Okay, Igbo is celebrating us with a sticker, so we appreciate you now. Okay, we are moving on. We are still moving on. Okay, we are still moving on. Yeah, we got that sticker. Igbo, God bless you. We appreciate. Joy Martin say Yiri. Okay, we'll move on now. So, Tochi, I was saying you should let us know where you are joining from, which part of the world you are joining us from. That is important. So, we move on now. So, what is the meaning of the word Yiri? What is the meaning of that word Yiri? Yes. Give us the meaning of the word. What is the meaning of the word Yiri? Okay. Waiting for you. What is the meaning of the word yiri? Okay, Boyibo say similar. Chikezie resemble. Oh, thank you, Ellen Ozua. We appreciate that your gift, that your great sticker. We appreciate Ozua. Appreciate. God bless you. God bless you, Ozua, for that sticker. Great one, great one. We know you are always with us. You're always for us. Your support we will never, we'll never look down on at all. You're always with us. Thank you, Ozua. Okay. Enina said, looks like or resemble. Okay, that's fine. Any other option? Any other option? Any other option? Resemble, look like, similar, resemble. Okay, these are options. Okay, Tochi say I'm from UK. Tochi, you are welcome to class. Don't forget to buy the ebooks after this class, Tochi. I have told you where you are going to get our store link. Did you hear that, Tochi, when I explained it? Tochi, did you hear that? Let me know whether you are clear about that, and let me know whether you are going to buy our books after this class, Tochi. You will need them. All our new students need to buy the books today before the price will change. Okay, Tochi say yes. Tochi, thank you for doing that. God bless you. Okay, it looks like, Enina say, looks like, resembled. Okay, all your answers are correct. They are all correct. It means look like. It means similar, resemble, look alike, resemble, similar. They are all correct. Okay, those are the word yiri. Okay, let's do a sentence yiri with yiri. He resembles his father. He resembles his father. Give me the sentence in Igbo language. Okay? Give me the sentence in Igbo language. He resembles his father. Yes? Give me that sentence in Igbo language. He resembles his father. Yeah, drop it. O yiri nna ya. Great. Igbo. You are on fire today. Oh. You know green at all. Ikwechiri ekwechi taa. Gị na Chikezie na-azụ onye ka ibe ya. Okay. O yiri nna ya. Okay. Nina wrote, O yiri nna ya. Great. Who else is writing? Ozua. O yiri nna ya. Great. He resembles his father. Okay. Who else is writing this? He resembles his father. Clement Emehe. O yiri nna ya. Great. I love this class. O yiri nna ya. Abdullahi. O yiri nna ya. Okay, you tried, Abdullahi. I believe it's going to be typographical error. I said naya, not naya. Naya. Dr. Abdullahi, correct yourself. Oh, yiripa. Serena, I didn't say you should use English. Naya. He resembles his father. Pa is not Igbo language. Pa. It's nna or ne for father or mother. Talking to Serena now. Okay? So, Serena, please correct yourself. I will buy books after class. Okay, Lubuko Kanda say you buy books after class. We appreciate that. Thank you very much. Just $25, you buy all the 10 books. They becomes yours. Where you can cover varieties of subjects. Simple sentences, 2-letter words, Igbo numbers from 1 to 1,000, everything. You get all of them there. They are all there. The audio and the text. You download the audio, it becomes your own. You can be listening to Igbo lesson while you're driving as MP3. You can be listening while you're cooking, while you're doing laundry, while you are, anywhere. On the playground, on the lawn, where you're relaxing, put it as your earpiece and listen to it. You learn anywhere on the go. That is the best we can give you on the go. Okay, we'll move on. Most of you got the sentence, Oyiri Naya. All the people that wrote Oyiri Naya are correct. Oyiri Naya, except for Dr. Black that wrote Oyiri Naya, not Aya. Instead of Ya, which is Y-A, he wrote A-G-H-A, Dr. Black. Okay. Serena Kido, Oyiri Naya, perfect. Tochi, I will ask my mom if I can buy it. Oh, Tochi, how old are you? Are you a minor? You are not up to 18 years? I'm talking to Tochi now. You are not up to 18 years. If you are not up to 18 years, that's fine. Ask your mom. But you have to open the link to your mom, open the bookshop, and let you and your mom view all the books there. When you view all the books there, your mommy will make choice for you. I know your mommy will buy all of them for you. But remember, you are the one to tell your mom that you need them. Not mom that will tell you. You tell your mom, I need the books. $25 to buy 10 ebooks that have text and audio. Mommy will agree with you. Okay, Tochi? So don't wait for mommy to take decision on that. You say, Mommy, I need them. Okay? Tochi, will you do that? That's great. Okay. Now, almost all of you got it. Oyiri Naya. That's great. So we move on to the next word, which is Yocha. That's the word. Yocha. Can you now write the word down? Can you write the word in the chat? Yocha. Up till now, some of you have not hit the like button. That's not fair enough. Okay? I think you should do that. That's simple enough. Yocha. Okay? Yocha. Okay, I'm getting responses are flowing in for Yocha. Okay, I love that. Yocha. Serena, you don't have the Igbo keyboard yet. I guess as much. Ablahi, Yocha, great. Enyina, Yocha, great. I love your responses as it's flowing in as fast as possible. That saves our time. Okay. Now, if you're not sending your answer, you have to send it because I'm going to go straight to Mark because I want to cover all the remaining words today. Now, Yocha, Igbo is right. Elin Ozua, but your O doesn't have dot under Ozua. It must have dot under to qualify as Yocha, and it has to have double A. Look at the way I drew it. Yocha, not Yocha. Yocha, so you have to have double A. So Chikezie got it perfectly. Okay, Yocha, double A. That's great. Okay, Clement Emehe also got it. Elinozua also got it now with a corrected version. Yocha. Okay, Igbo has corrected herself. Fine. Yocha. So what is the meaning of the word? Yocha. That's the next phase. What is the meaning of the word? Yocha. Yes. What is the meaning of the word? Those of you who have not given us stickers and super chats, we are still waiting for your own. Oh. Only 2 people have given us stickers. Show love to your teacher now. Okay. Chikeze wrote sieve. Ibo wrote clean or remove. Okay, I'm waiting for others. Engineer wrote, I don't know this word. That's fine. You will know it today. That's why you are in class. You need what you don't know, you know. The ones you knew before, you practice using them. That's the essence of coming to class. Tochi wrote, is it your? No, I said your cha, Tochi. Okay, Linozua wrote sieve. Okay, Tochi's your cha. Okay, Serena, filter. That's an option. Yeah, filter. Serena, I hope you are buying our books after this lesson. Or are you giving us sticker or super chat? Which one are you giving us, Serena? Okay, I'm waiting for responses. Yeah, waiting for more responses. What is the meaning of the word? Your cha. Okay, Serena say I'm buying books. That's fine. Anyone you choose, that's fine for us. Okay, your cha. It appears no more responses coming in. Now let's mark if there are no more responses. Chikezie, sieve, perfect answer. Igbo, you wrote clean or remove. That is not actually what it is. It is the act of removing unwanted things from another thing, especially, grays or semi-liquid something where you can use sieve to sieve it. That is the perfect word, which is sieve. Okay. So, and then I think, Enina, you can hear me now. Your charm means sieve. As you sieve with anything, sieve your grain, sieve your semi-solid pap or whatever you want to sieve to remove the unwanted debris out of it. So, Elinozua got a sieve. Serena, filter. Of course, filter can also be used, but the perfect word is sieve. Sieve. Okay? That's the perfect word for it. Now we go to making sentence with this. And then I go to tell you to sieve that. What is that? That corn. Sieve the corn. Sieve the corn. Sieve the corn. Sieve the corn. Write that in Igbo language. Sieve the corn. Sieve the corn. Ngwa, yọchaa ọka ahụ, chikezie. Ngwa, ndị ọzọ, Igbo, Ozua, and the rest, fire. Yọchaa corn ahụ. Ewo! Igbo don't know the meaning of corn again in Igbo language. Nah, nsogbu dịkwa o. Igbo, you don't know the name of corn in Igbo language. You will get some cane for not knowing that. You are supposed to know that you are above this now. Why? You don't fall my hand. Igbo. You don't fall my hand. You don't know the name of corn in Igbo. Nsogbu dịkwa o. Igbo. Okay. What are other people waiting for? Okay. Waiting for you. Igbo, yọchaa ọka. Okay, yọchaa ihu. Yeah, Dr. Black has said, sieve the corn. Sieve the corn. So you can try better than this, Dr. Black. Okay, Elinozua, yọchaa ọka ahụ. Better. Yeah, any other person trying? Yọchaa ọka ahụ. Okay. Dr. Blahi, correct yourself now. Serena, yọchaa ọka ahụ. Great. Clement Emehe, yọchaa ọka ahụ. Great. I love that. Anybody coming in? We're marking now. Okay, let's see. Clement is the one that wrote first. Yọchaa ọka ahụ. Perfect word. Igbo, yọchaa corn ahụ. Mba, ekweghị m ekwe. Why you go use corn for Igbo? I no agree. Enyina, your child oka, he didn't put the corn or that corn. That is ahu. Didn't put it. Ablahi, I asked you to correct yourself. Uzwa, your child oka, that's perfect. Serena, where's Serena? Your child oka, good. I love that. Clement, your child oka, perfect. Okay. Ablahi, your child oka, good. Even though you are cha, ch, I believe it's typographical error. Where you're supposed to put ch, you put c, only c, not apply. But I know it's a typographical error. That's a good job for you. We'll move to the next one. The next word is yinye. Yinye. Okay. And you have corrected yourself. Your child can. That's perfect. But your ahu should have dot under the u. Ahu. Okay. The next word we're dealing with is yinye. Yinye. Okay. Somebody, Clement has written yinye. Igbo has written yinye. What are other people waiting for? Fire this thing now. In the next 30 minutes, I want to cover about 7 words. So I want to move as fast as possible. Okay. Yinye. 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 Okay, great responses. Yinye, write that in Igbo. The meaning, the spelling of the word. Yinye, right. Yeah, I'm getting you are dropping it fine. Yinye, the Igbo word. Yinye, write it in the chat. The spelling, perfect spelling. Yinye, Serena, good effort. Okay, Dr. Blah, Yinye, good effort. I love that. Yeah, anybody coming in again? I want to mark now. Yinye, all your answers are correct. Give yourself a thumbs up, give yourself a clapping emoji. All of you got it correct. Except Enyina that put I with dot under. That is not correct. It's I without dot under. Ye, not Inye, is Ye, is I. I without dot under is pronounced as E in Igbo. It's not I, it's E. Yeah? So, Enyina, correct yourself. No dot under the I. Now, the meaning of the word. What does that word mean? Yeah. What does it mean? If you are seeing us now, if you're joining us, and you've not subscribed to our channel, you're missing something. Subscribe now so that you can get notification when we upload a new video or when we are on live, when we send out notice for live session. You need to subscribe to our channel and get ready to also buy our books as newcomers and even old-timers that have not bought our books. You are missing something. Those books are prepared specially for Igbo new learners. Give you the background knowledge of all you need to know, and the books are unique. This is a book you can buy and you have text and audio permanently with you. When you are offline, you can still listen to your teacher talking to you through MP3. When you are cooking, when you are driving, when you are doing laundry, you can always hear your teacher talking to you wherever you are. The best book you can have anywhere online, and it's so cheap. $1 to $3 or $4 to buy any of them. $25 to buy all 10 books. If you have 10 books and you can go through all of them, I can assure you, you will speak Igbo language today. So do not forget to buy the books if you have not done that. Those of you who bought few of them before from beginning, you've not bought other books uploaded, like Clement Emehe and the rest of them, you have to still buy the remaining books. You are missing something. Right. So we're talking about yinye. The meaning is put on, or wear. I agree with you. Dr. Blahi, you are on fire now. You are even giving options. Put on or wear. That's fine. That's perfect. That is put on. Put on. Wear, as we do for clothes. For clothes, we put on clothes. We wear clothes. That's yinye. Now we do the sentence. Yinye akwagi ubua. I say it in Igbo. Write it in Igbo also. Tell us the meaning in English. Yinye akwagi ubua. Yinye akwagi ubua. What is the meaning? What is the word? Write it now. Yinye akwagi ubua. Igbo has written. Yinye akwagi ubua. Great. Challenging the class captain seriously. No jokes at all. Chikezie. Yinye akwagi ubua. Okay. Now, who else is dropping? No time. No wasting time at all. Drop it. Yinye akwagi ubua. I'm impressed by the performance of our old students. It means our effort is paying off. Your level of understanding and typing and comprehension is amazing. You are doing great, and it shows our efforts are not in vain at all. Except for those who are joining newly, all our old students are doing marvelously well. And that's why those of you who are coming on board today, don't miss classes. Always be around every Saturday, 2 p.m. West African time, 1300 GMT. Always block that time and date and leave it for Igbo lesson, live, online, free of charge. Okay, Yinyakwagi Ubua. Okay, so many responses are dropping. Who else is remaining? I have to deal with those I have here now. Igbo, Yinyakwagi Ubua, correct. Chikezie, Yinyakwagi Ubua, correct. Ezua, Yinyakwagi Ubua, correct. Abdullahi, Yinyakwagi Ubua, correct. Abdullahi is on fire now. Clement Emehe, Yinyakwagi Ubua, perfect. Enyina, Yinyakwagi Ubua, perfect. Serena Kido, Yinye Akwagi Ubua, perfect. I understand you don't have Igbo keyboard yet, but the answers are right. So all of you are correct. We move on to the next word, and the next word is Zoya. Zoya. Ngwa, dee ya ọsịsọ. Dee ya ọsịsọ. Dee ya. Dee ya na chat. Zoya. 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 Ngwa, waiting for you. Okay? Not zuo. Zoya. Not Zoya. Zoya. I have to say it again and again. Zoya. Not Zuo, but Zoya. Okay. Okay. I'm getting your answers. It's flowing in. It's dropping in. It's dropping in. It's dropping in. Yeah, I love the contest. It's coming fast as I wanted it. Zoya. Okay. Now let's mark. Oh, Richard Mba. Richard Mba, you're welcome to class. Welcome to Igbo class live. Richard Mba. Is it today? Is the first time you are joining us? Please indicate. Say yes or no. Is it the first time you are joining our class? I know your name is new to our class. Richard Mba. Are you coming for the first time? Say A or whichever. Richard, talking to you now. Okay, Richard, say yes. Okay, no. Na class yanyeta. Okay, please let's welcome Richard. Okay, if possible, let's welcome him. Now we are going to look at the word. I say Zoya, and then some people are writing Zoya, Zuoya. Please, I didn't ask to do this. Zuo means still. That is Zuo. Zoya is still it. This is not what I said. I say Zoya. So let me see who got it. Okay, Abdullahi says Soya. No, Soya means follow him or follow it. Okay, Chikezi has corrected himself here. Before he wrote Zoya, now he said Zoya. That's perfect. Z00, ZOO, and then YA. Zoya. That is the correct word. Let me see who else got it. Enyina wrote Zoya. Single O is also accepted. Elinozua corrected. Zoya correct. Serena Zoya accept it. Ibo Zoya accept it. That is down. Clement Zoya accepted. Okay, Tochi, no. Richard, okay, Tochi is welcoming Richard. Richard, no. Okay, so, okay, Tochi has written Zoya, perfect. Now the meaning of the word, Zoya. What does it mean? Gịnị ka okwu a bụ Zoya pụtara n'olu Igbo? Gịnị ka ọ bụ? Gwa m ihe ọ bụ n'olu Bekee. Zoya. What is the meaning of the word Zoya in English? Zoya. Ngwa. Hide it. Chikezie. Ngwa. Others. Flow in. Bring it in. Don't waste our time. Fire it. Only one person has written. Okay. Igbo, conceal it. Ozua, hide it. Chikezie, hide it. Ngwa. What are other people waiting for? Do the thing. Hide it. Enyina. What are the rest? Ngwa. Tochi. Fire. Zoya. Who is remaining? Clement, where are you? Don't waste time. We don't have time to waste. Clement, drop your answer. Who else remaining here? Dr. Blai, drop your answer. Waiting for you. Zoya. What is the meaning of the word? Zoya. Tochi, hide it. Okay. Who else is writing? Dr. Blai, Zoya. Dr. Blai, say, tell me the meaning of the word, not to write it again. Tell me the meaning of the word Zoya in English. Right? Serena, hide it. Clement, hide it. Soma, is it Soma or Soma? What is your name? I think Soma is coming for the first time. Soma, where are you joining from? Which part of the world are you joining from? Is this your first time? Please indicate. Tochi, where are you joining from? Which part of the world are you joining from? Let's welcome you and identify you by your country. Where are you and where are you joining from? Talking to Soma and Tochi. Which part of the world are you coming in from? Soma say Mesoma. Okay, Mesoma. Okay, Mesoma. Wow, that's my daughter's name. Great. I have my daughter's namesake here. Okay, Abia State, first time. Are you joining us now from Abia State, Nigeria? Mesoma. If that's true, then say yes. Okay, Richard Mba. Okay, hi. Richard, you didn't tell us where you're joining us from, which part of the world. The same thing for Tochi. Want to know where you're joining from. Okay, Tochi said, I'm from Abia, but I'm in UK. Yeah, I just want to know where you are right now. That's you are in UK. So, Mesoma, where are you from? Where are you joining from now? Okay, you are from Abia State, joining from Abia State. I'm happy to have Igbo people around Nigeria too joining us. That's good, a balanced something. Okay, great. From Lagos, Richard is from Lagos. Richard, you're welcome. Rang Hammer, okay, Norway. Okay, Hammer, Mr. Hammer is joining from Norway. Thank you, Mr. Hammer. No, thank you for loving Igbo and learning from Igbo, learning Igbo language. We appreciate you so much. Can you tell us a little reason why you're joining us? You want to learn Igbo language, you love Igbo people? Now, let's move to the meaning of the word, Zoya. All of you that wrote hide it, you are correct. Zoya means hide it. Hide it. That is the word. Now, let's make a sentence with that. Hide it in the room. Hide it in the room. Hide it in the room. Write that in Igbo language. Hide it in the room. Hide it in the room. Okay, drop it now. Drop that in Igbo language. Hide it in the room. Ngwa, oro mume. Ngwa. Write it. And in Ozua, zoo ya n'ime ụlọ. Clement, Igbo, zoo ya n'ime ụlọ. Chikezie, zoo ya n'ime ụlọ. Great. Yes. I'm waiting for others. Fire it now. Somma, Zoya name, Mesoma, Zoya name. Great. Mesoma, you don't have Igbo keyboard. If you don't have, please, you next time go to your language setting in your phone, go to keyboard, select Kwati Igbo, install it in your phone. When you press the alphabet, hold it down. It will show you options of dot, you O with dot under, or U with dot under, or N with dot on top. It will show you your computer, your phone, and then you choose the one you want to use. Talking to some manner next time. Okay, Zoya Nemulo, Tochi, Richard, Mba, Zoya Nemulo, great. Clement, Zoya Nemulo. Okay, I think Richard and the rest of them and some manner don't have Igbo keyboard in their phone. Please try to install it and do it through your setting next time so that we can get your alphabets perfectly well, like the other people are doing. That is so important. Okay, SS, please, how can I write Chukwu Ebuka in proper Igbo alphabet? Chukwu Ebuka. The way you wrote it here now is perfect in Igbo alphabet. That is the spelling. Chukwu Ebuka. That is exactly how it should be written. The way you wrote it here, that's perfect. Talking to SS, that is very perfect. SS, I believe this is the first time you are joining us in our live class. Am I right? Okay. Hammer, I am a woman and I want to learn my boyfriend's language. I can't enough to follow this. Okay. Thank you, Hammer, for loving Igbo people. Hammer, what you need to do first is after this lesson, you go to subscribe to our YouTube channel, go to our channel description, open it up, and you see a link to our Igbo bookshop, e-bookshop. So you can download 10 Igbo books, ebooks that will help you to learn fast. It has both text and audio. You download them, download the audio when you open it for permanent access, so that when you are offline, you can still listen to the teacher talking to you. These books are 10 in number, all audio and text, and they are so cheap. $25, you buy all of them at the go. So do that today, Hammer, after this lesson, and then you will see how you accelerate your Igbo learning and have a backup material to always refer to every time. So, Hammer, I hope you do that after this class. Will you do that? Let me hear you. Some students wrote the meaning in advance. Oh, that's not fair. When we give you a word, don't write the meaning in advance. Allow us to, rack our brain and look for the meaning at the appropriate time. Don't go faster than the teacher. Okay? So please, let's always follow that. Now we're talking about Zoyani Mulo. All of you that wrote Zoyani Mulo are correct. Hide it in the house. You are all correct. We go to the next word. And the next word, okay, I will do that. Hot from rank him. Okay, thank you, Hammer. Thank you for your promise to do that. That's very beautiful. Okay, we are going to the next word now. The next word is zipuya. Zipuya. Please don't tell us the meaning of the word. Don't say the meaning. Follow the teacher's instruction. We have 3 stages of this discussion. First is the word. Second is the meaning of the word. Third is a short sentence with the word. So follow that sequence. Don't tell us you know more than the teacher. That's not fair. The word we're dealing with now is zipuya. Just write the word. Don't tell us the meaning. Just drop the word. Zipuya. Ngwa. Drop it in the chat. Drop it. Drop it. Zipuya. Please remember, you can buy a super chat for us, even as we are online now. You can buy super sticker for us right now as we are going on with this lesson. With a small little money, you can buy super chat for us, super sticker for us in appreciation for this live lesson session. With that, we can always cover our bills and then always prepare lessons and teach you all the time, free of charge. So it's not going to cost you much to drop a sticker or highlight a chat for us, buy a super chat for us. We'll appreciate that. God bless you as you do so. So we are talking about zipuya, okay? Many people have written that. Zipuya, 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 okay? Let me see those who got it. Elinozua, zipuya, Igbo, zipuya, okay? I think the U doesn't have dot under, so Igbo got it first. Enina, zipu is U without dot under, zipu. Okay, Clement, zipu. You also put dot under your U. I don't accept that. Emehe, zipuya, perfect. Richard, zipuya, good. Tochi, zipuya, good. Serena, zipuya. Those are the correct answers. Now we go to the second stage, which is the meaning of the word. What is the meaning of the word? Zipuya. Drop the meaning now. Just now. Drop it. Let me see them flowing in. The meaning of the word. Zipuya. Okay? Zipuya. Ozua wrote, sent it, waiting for others to drop their answers. Yeah. What is the meaning of the word? Zipuya. 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 Okay. Zipuya. Ngwano. Where are you people? Chikezie, send it. Send him or her out, away. Send it. Okay. Okay. Okay, I'm waiting for others. Some students have written in advance again, and this makes the lesson less interesting. No, nobody has written in advance. I think Dr. Blah, you are coming in. Maybe your network is delaying you a little bit. We have written Zipuya already, and nobody wrote the meaning when we are writing it. Yes, I am following that. And after that, we had the last person that answered that question was Serena, which all of them wrote Zipuya, and I marked that. After that, and I said they should now write the meaning, and that's where we are now. Nobody wrote the meaning of the word before I asked them to write the meaning. I'm talking to Dr. Abdullahi now. So it could be that your internet is delaying you and you are not getting it right at the same time. But I think everybody is following our sequence now. So we're sorry if there's any mix-up in from your own end. So now we have responses. Send it, Tochi. Enyina, Zipuya, send it. Okay? Enyina, please don't write the Igbo word again when we say write the meaning. Maybe that's what is confusing Dr. Blind. Just limit yourself to what we said. After we have given the word, we look for the meaning. Don't repeat the word again. Just give us the meaning when it is time to give meaning. Then we go to sentence. Let's follow that sequence accordingly. Thank you very much for doing that. Okay. Any other person writing the meaning of the word? Zipuya. Any other person? Any other person? Any other person? I'm marking now. I want to mark now. Anybody still writing? Anybody still writing? Okay. The word zipuya is a verb. It's a verb. It's an instruction. Zipuya is an instruction to somebody. And so Ellen Ozua wrote sent it, which is like past tense of sent. But this word is in present tense. Zipuya is in present tense. So it's send it. Send it away. Like send it is perfect. Okay. Somebody say away. But that is send it. So Tochi is right. Send it. Zipuya. Okay, Zipuya, send it. Richard, send it. Correct. Ibo, send it. Correct. Yeah, Chimamanda Eze. I don't know why you ran away again. What did you write? Just write something. Whether you get it or not, we'll always correct you. Chimamanda Eze. Let's do that. Well, I think Chimamanda, you were in our class before. I remember this name. I think you attended our class before. Am I right? Chimamanda. Okay, send it. That is also a corrected version. That's fine. So let's make the sentence now. Okay, send it. Serena, correct. Let's make the sentence. Okay, send it out now. Send it out now. Send it out now. That's the sentence. Let's write it now. Send it out now. Chimamanda, have you been to our class before? I want to be sure, but I think your name is familiar. I've given the sentence, so start dropping it now. Send it out now. What are you waiting for? Drop the sentence in Igbo language. Send it out now. Send it out now. What is holding you back? Drop the sentence. Send it out now. Yes. Send it out now. If you are seeing me on your screen now, this is the Igbo language titled Let's Talk Igbo Language Live. This is a live session, a free teaching of Igbo language that is available to whoever is interested, wherever you are in any part of the world. So you do well to join us now. If you are interested in learning Igbo language, you have Igbo girlfriend or boyfriend, fiancé, parents that are, of Igbo descent, but you don't know how to speak Igbo. Perhaps you are born outside Igbo land. This is a great opportunity for you. You first have to subscribe to our channel and then join this live class to learn Igbo language free of charge wherever you are. So take advantage of this. You are Igbo friend, Igbo business partner, Igbo fiancé, Igbo husband, wife, Igbo friend, Igbo partner, anywhere, Igbo lover. Join this live class and enjoy Igbo class live. You will learn a lot from this. Even if you are subscribed to other channels, you can always come here so that we can measure our level of progress in our learning of Igbo language. So avail yourself of this great opportunity and you'll be glad you did. Through this, you can also gain access to so many other things, okay? Now, we say send it out now. Let's look at the responses. Have we done that? I've not seen some people responding. Dr. Blahi, where are you? You've not responded. Send it out now. That's the sentence we say we should make. And some have not written. Are they still coming? I don't want to mark finish and then you come in. Okay, Dr. Blahi, Zipuya Ubua. Zipuya Ubua. Okay, that's great, Dr. Blahi. Okay, let me mark now. Now, let me mark. Tidrili, Zipuya Keta. Okay, some people use Keta instead of Ubua, but the central Igbo is actually Ubua. If Zipu only means send it, Zipuya, I say Zipuya is send it. Zipu is, okay, Zipu is also send it, or send out, meaning of Ziga. Okay, Ziga, Zipu. Both of them are the same thing, Ziga, Zipu. But somehow, Ziga seems to tend towards sending a human being out for an errand, okay? But Zipu is used more for non-living objects, like a parcel or whatever you are using, you want to send out. You can say Zipuya, like message, emissary, package, whatever. But when you use Ziga, you are sending somebody to go do something and come back with a report. So Ziga, like you are sending someone an errand. That is more used for ziga. Zigaya, koga, zigaya, eba. So you are referring to human being this time around. I hope I'm making a little sense to you, Chikezie. Okay, Chikezie. Am I communicating? Please indicate that. So I go back to the marking now. Zipuya kita. Some people use kita, okay? But the ubua is better for us. Zipuya kita. Oh, many of you are using kita. Kita and ubua both are acceptable in Igbo, but ubua is more central than kita. Okay, kita looks more local than central. Tochi zipuya ubua, that's perfect. Ablahi zipuya ahu. Ablahi put ahu. Ahu is not there. Is zipuya ubua. And then where in your ubua use AGBUA is not. Is UGBUA ubua, not abua. Talking to Dr. Blahi. Tidrilling, they won't nam. Tidrilling, no. You're always coming late to class. I don't know why. Tidrilling. Always come to class on time. Not when we are running off. You'll be coming to class. Don't be a permanent latecomer, a perpetual latecomer. That is not good for you. Okay, we've done this now. We're going to the next one. The next word is zulite. 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 Ngwa. Write it now. Don't tell me the meaning. Just write the word. Zulite. 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 Ngwa. There. There you see so. Ebuloge. Don't waste time. Zulite. Okay. Elinozua. Chikezie. Zulite. Great. Ngwa. Igbo. Zulite. Okay. Zulite. 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 I'm talking to Igbo. I hope you understand what I mean. Zulite. Zulite. If she understands, she will do something about it. If not, we go on. I wait for other people to drop their answers. Zulite. Zulite. Waiting for you. Tidrili. Zulite. Eninaya. Zulite. Okay. Who else? Igbo, Zulite. Okay, you got my point. You corrected yourself. Serena. Zolite. No, I said zo. Zo, not zo. Zolite. Talking to Serena now. I hope she understands what I mean. Okay. Any other person coming in? Dr. Bly, where are you? Okay, you are still making correction for your last sentence. That's okay. Clement Zulite. Serena. Zulite. Good effort. You try, but not perfect. But that's a good effort. Okay, let's mark because of our time. Let's see who got it first. Elinozua, perfect word. Zulite, that's perfect. Chikezie, also perfect. Igbo made a mistake but corrected herself later. The you have dot under, not without dot. Eninaya, Zulite, perfect. Okay, Serena, Zulite. Later on, you put Zulite. It is you with dot under. Clement Emehe, you must have dot under it. Okay, Dr. Blind, Zulite, perfect. Tochi, Zulite, Tochi, the you will have dot under it. Same for Serena. The you will have dot under it. Perfect word. Now the meaning. What is the meaning of the word Zulite? What is the meaning of the word Zulite? Tell me the meaning. So far, only 2 people have given us stickers. Only 2 people have given us stickers or bought super chat for us. Super sticker, super chat. Maybe others are waiting till the end of the class before they give us flowers or give us stickers or give us super chat. I think so. Let's see what happens. Okay. Now we're looking for the meaning of the word Zulite. We're looking for the meaning of the word Zulite. Somebody wrote develop. Somebody wrote to grow. Somebody wrote trade or raise. Somebody wrote develop. I'm waiting for others. Dr. Bly, where are you? Not after we finish giving the answer, you now say we are giving the answer first. Oh yeah, give your answer. Zulite, what is the meaning? Enina, grow. Okay. Develop. I like this variety of answers. At least that will clear some misconceptions. And those who don't know, we know. When we give the final answer, that's fine. That's why we are learning. And that's the essence of being in class. So you learn what you don't know. Okay? Who else is doing? I go to Mark now. I go to Mark now. And then let's see. The first person said develop. The other person said to grow. Chikezie said train, raise. Okay. And those who are develop, grow. The actual word is train up or raise up. Raise up. Okay. Or train like we have for a child. Okay. But raise up is a perfect word. Raise up or train. Okay. Train up or raise up. Okay. Or raise in terms of raising a child. Okay. Develop. Develop. Develop is also partially correct, but train up is raise up is more perfect for this word. Okay, let's have our sentence now. Let's have our sentence now. Okay, train up your child well. Train up your child well. Train up your child well. Give me the word in Igbo. Train up your child well. Give me the word in Igbo. Yes. Train up your child well. Zulite. Chikezie, look at your word. I think there's a typo. There's a typo in your sentence. Chikezie, check your sentence. There's a typo there. Boyibo, zulite nwagi ofuma. Okay, great. Chikezie, corrected version. Zulite nwagi ofuma. That's good. Yes, I'm waiting for others. Okay, Enyina, zulite nwa ufuma. Okay, that's your own version. Ozua, zulite nwa gị ọma. That's a version also. But if I were you, I would check what I typed again, Ozua, and see whether it's correct or not. I read it myself and see whether it's correct. Correct yourself where necessary. Okay, anybody coming in again? Anybody coming in again? Tochi, zulite nwa gị nke ọma. Great. Tochi, you are doing well. You are doing very well. Okay. Any other person coming in? Dr. Blahi, are you coming in? Emehe Clement, are you there? Tidrili, where are you? Where are your answers? I'm waiting for you. I want to mark. I want to mark the scripts. I start marking. I hope you are all will come in as I'm marking on. Chikezie, the first sentence was correct. The first person that got it is Igbo. Zulite nwagi ofuma. Ofuma or nke ọma is all correct. Ofuma or nke ọma. Zulite nwagi nke ọma or zulite nwagi ofuma, both are acceptable. Okay, Chikezie also got it. Enyina, zulite nwa ufuma, no. Zulite nwagi, your child. Nwagi, you have to be there. Then ofuma is not U, F-U, is O with dot under. Then F-U with dot under, then M-A. Then Elinozua, zulite nwagi nke ọma, not zulite nwagi ọma, no. Nke ọma has to be there. Elinozua, zulite nwagi nke ọma. Okay, you've corrected yourself down there. I know it's a typo. I know you are better than that. Tochi, zulite nwagi nke ọma. Tochi, you are doing very well. Tidrili, zulite nwatakịrị ọma dị nnukwu. Mba, Tidrili, that's not what we said. You are going extra and you are confusing us and yourself. I said, train up your child well. So you have to limit yourself to what I said. Ozua, fine. Clement, zulite nwagi ofuma, good. Okay, Dr. Blahi, train. I said it now. Your answer is coming in late. We'll pass this. Train, raise up. Okay, I think it's your network that's giving you problem. Next word, I said I want to finish up this lesson to this series today. Next word is zọpụta. Zọpụta. Drop the word now. Zọpụta. Ngwa. Ọsịsọ mee ya. Zọpụta. Ngwa. Zọpụta. That is the word. Zọpụta. Chikezie had done that. Yes. Who else is dropping the word? Zọpụta. Drop the word in Igbo language. Zọpụta. This is Igbo word. Type it in the chat session. Let's see whether you know how Igbo alphabet sounds. How to write Igbo word from the sound. Zọpụta. Okay. I've had answers coming in, flowing in. Okay. Okay, answers are flowing in. Answers are flowing in. Yes, 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 yes. Answers are flowing in. Any other person coming in before I start giving I start marking the script? Any other person dropping the answer? Okay, Zuopota. Okay, that's Serena Amara. Serena Amara, is it the first time you are joining us, or you are coming a returning student? Serena, are you a returning student, or you are joining for the first time? Zopota Tidrili. Serena, Kidi Zopota. Okay, Tochi Zopota, or with dot. Tochi is with dot, is dot, but the Z O, not Z U. Tochi Zopota, and the O and U have dot under. Talking to Tochi now. Okay, any other person coming in? Now let's mark the script now because of our time. Let's see who got it first. Chikezie Zopota, perfect. Elinozua Zopota, perfect. Clement Emehin Zopota, perfect. Ibo, perfect. Enyina, perfect. Serena, no, Serena, it's not you, it's Z-O, and the O with dot under. That's Serena now. Second Serena, Kido is Zopota, Z-O. Second Serena Amara is Zopota, is Z-O with dot under, then P-U with dot under, and T-K, T-A. Tidrili, correct. Serena, Kido, corrected. Good. Tochi, Zopota, your O and U need to have dot under them. Talking to Tochi now. Now, what's the meaning of the word? Next stage. What is the meaning of the word? Zopota. What is the meaning? Drop the meaning now. Drop the meaning of the word Zopota. I asked Serena whether she's a returning student. Serena Amara, have you been to a class before? You have not answered my question. I'm waiting for your answer. Okay, people are dropping the answers already. Chikezie, save. Ibo, save. Any other option? Drop it quickly. Any other option? Enyina, save from or save. Okay, Ozua, save. Tochi, I'm on laptop. I don't have Igbo keyboard. Oh, Tochi, you need to install it later on your laptop, and I'll tell you how to use it when you install it. There's a keyboard you need to press before you now press the Igbo keyboard. That is after you have installed Igbo keyboard in your keyboard setting in your computer. Then I will tell you how to press it so that it will come up when you are pressing. This GR alphabet, this key, they write GR something in the keyboard. When you install the Igbo keyboard, you always, when you now select it, you press that keyboard before pressing the alphabet. It will give you dot under, U under, or O under. Maybe the network is keeping me behind. Yes. Yes, that's what I'm saying, Dr. Blahi. Your network is keeping you behind. Yes, your network is affecting your flow. I'm very sure of that. Everybody is following. We are all following together. I think it's your network problem, Dr. Blind. Okay, somebody have written save from this, save from that. So what is save? Okay, yeah, those answers are correct. Zopota means save. Okay, that's perfect answer for that, save. Now let's deal with the meaning, with the sentence using save. Save me from sin. Save me from sin. Okay, that is the sentence. Save me from sin. Get your mom to help you install the Igbo keyboard in your computer keyboard setting. Yes, it's very simple to do in computer. I have it in my laptop too. You can install it in your laptop using setting and going to keyboard setting and language. Mommy will do it for you, Tochi. Okay. We're talking about save me from sin. That is the sentence. Ngwa, write it. Chikezi has written, Zopotam Nanjo. Ngwa, I wait for others. Save me from sin. Write the Igbo version. Save me from sin. Write the Igbo version now. Save me from sin. Write the Igbo version. Zopotam na ajomume. Zopotam ajomume. Zopotam Naka May. I love this. Igbo don't go advance. Okay. I'm waiting for others. Tochi, zopotam naka mehie. Great effort. Yes. Any other person? Yes. Any other person? Zopotam, save me from sin. Write the sentence in Igbo language. Save me from sin. Deya na susu Igbo. Deya na susu Igbo. Write it in Igbo language. Zopotam na mmehie. I love that. Very simple. Zopotam na mmehie. Very simple. Save me from sin. Any other person coming in? I mark the script now. I want to mark the script now. Is there any other person coming in? Okay, doctor should log out and come log in again to be in line with the instructor. Yeah, I think so. Doctor, I think you should take that advice. Log out and log in again so they can flow with us. I think you are coming behind us. So try logging out, Dr. Blind, and then log in again. I think the system will refresh and then you'll be in tune with us. That will be very okay. Now let's mark. Chikezie, Zopotam na Njo. It can either be Njo or Mehie. Both are acceptable. Mehie or Njo, both are sin. Mehie, Njo, both are acceptable. They are both sin. Okay, Clement, Zopotam Ajo Mume. But you didn't put na jomume. That is also correct. Njo, mehie, ajomume. Okay, but ajomume is actually bad character. Bad character. But when we are talking about sin in particular, is either mehie or njo. But if you use ajomume, is bad behavior, bad character. Talking to Clement Emehe now. Igbo, Zopotam naka meye, save me from sin. Still correct. Tochi, Zopotam naka meye, correct. Ozua, Zopotam na meye, I love that. Okay, that is all correct. I move on to the next word. The next word is zam. Zam. Drop it now. I'm running. I want to meet up these remaining words before it's too late. Zam. Zam, drop the word now. Zam, okay. Zam, 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 zam. Ntiago, don't do what we don't go ahead of time. Don't give us the answer. Don't give us the meaning. Just say, do what we ask you to do. We say, write the word. We didn't say, tell us the meaning of the word. So follow the sequence so that we can all learn together. Okay? So Ntiago, next time, please write exactly what we say you should write. Don't go ahead. Otherwise, the class is no more going to be as a class. It has to be disorderliness. Okay? Zam. Zam. Okay? Zam. Okay? Zam. Zam. I've got so many answers, so I go ahead to mark. Zam. You can use single A. It may not be double A. Okay? But you just put M, either separate or together. Both are okay. Zam. Okay? If you say double A, it sounds zam. It may not be okay. It's zam. It's single A. Zam. Okay? M can be separate. It can be together, representing me. Answer me. Okay? Okay? And it appears I've already given the answer to the meaning, because somebody also has written that, which is what I complain about. It's not fair. You shouldn't do things like that. And I've corrected that already from Ntiago. I hope that doesn't happen next time. It's not fair. Okay? So, Tochi, that's fine. You've corrected yourself. So, the meaning of the word. What is the meaning of the word? Zam. What is the meaning of the word? Zam. Yes. We are moving forward now. Some people are still dropping the word, but we've moved on and we're dealing with the meaning of the word zam. What is the meaning of the word zam? Drop it now. Answer me. Answer me. Okay. Ngwa? What are other people waiting for? Answer me. Answer me. Any other person coming in? Answer me. Answer me. It appears we are all saying the same thing. Any other person, any other contrary opinion? Answer me. Zam, answer me. I agree with you all. Zam is answer me. Answer me. Okay. Now the question, the sentence. Okay, let's make a sentence with that. Okay, answer my question. Answer my question. A little bit tricky now. Answer my question. Okay, Ms. Chukwuemeka Nzubechi say, I want to learn Igbo. How do I start? You start by subscribing to this YouTube channel. That's number one step. Number two, you are coming late to class today. We meet every Saturday by 2 p.m. Nigerian time or 1300 GMT. It depends on where you are, the part of the world where you are. Chukwuemeka, where are you joining us from? Which part of the world are you? So the first thing you have to do is to subscribe to this channel. Number two is to know that we meet every Saturday by 2 p.m. Nigerian time or 1300 GMT. Okay, that's number two. Number three is that we're prepared ebooks for learners, for beginners that you can all access today after this class. Go to the description of our channel description. Open it up. You see a link to our ebook shop. Open it, click the link. It will take you to our ebook shop. You buy up the books we have there, about 10 of them with $25. You buy all of them. This book is special. Those books are special because they have both text and audio. You download the audios and have them permanently in your phone or computer, which you can listen to them anytime you want. Go through the book, the text, listen to the audio. You hear me teach you the alphabets, the numbers, two-letter words, and the conversational sentences, and everything you need to know. You know, Igbo numbers 1 to 1,000 is there. So you prepare yourself with that so that you can have a background, basic background knowledge that can always be with you anytime, any day. Then prepare to join our live classes. Go to our channel, watch our old videos, join live classes every Saturday, and I can assure you, you will learn very, very fast. Are you with me talking to Chukwuemeka? Did you understand what I said? If you understand, confirm if you are going to do them after this class, okay? Okay. Imo, but currently in Ivory Coast, okay? So please do what I've just asked you to do now. That will help you so much. Okay, the word is answer my question now. We're ending this class in the next 5 minutes, which is Zam Ajojo. I think I said now, okay? Okay. I said answer my question now. I remember I said now. Okay? Did I say that? Or I said only answer my question. Okay, I said answer my question. I didn't say now. Zam Ajojo. Igbo said Zam Ajojo. Chikezie Rose, Za Ajujum. Za Ajujum. Tochi right, Za Ajujum. Ellen, Za Ajujum. Tindrili, Zam Ajojo. Okay, Za Ajujum or Zam Ajojo, both are correct. Za Ajujum or Zam Ajojo. You are just changing the personal pronoun to before question or after question. Zam Ajojo or Za Ajujum, both are correct. Okay. So, is it wrong to use mu instead of mu? No, it's not wrong. Mu or mu, mu without under or only m, both are the same thing. It's acceptable. But in some cases, using only m may be better. Okay, now, NT ag zadujum ubua. Okay, I withdrew that ubua. So, we go to the last word for today. We go to the last word for today. And the last word is Zachapo. Zachapo. That is the last word for today and for this series. We're ending it now. Zachapo. That is the word. Now write it in the chat session. Zachapo. That is the last word for today and the last for this session, for this series. Next Saturday, we are beginning another series. We're ending this one now. I've changed the setting to Igbo. How do I use it? Please, immediately in your computer, there is the key that is written GR. Is it GR? Something like that. We have Alt, Gra, and then a keyboard. But you don't use Alt with GR. You use GR only. Press GR down and press O. It will give you O with dot under. But before you do that, you look at the task bar go to the keyboard icon on the taskbar and press it. It will give you keyboard language. You will see English and Igbo. You select Igbo first on your keyboard option, language option. That is your computer language options. You press it, you see it will show Igbo, it will show English, US English or UK English. You see Igbo there. You select Igbo. Okay? After selecting it, go back to your keyboard, press GR as a key, and then O. It will give you O with dot under. Try it now. If you also press the GR and press U, it will give you U with dot under. Try it in your computer now and see whether that is correct. That gives you the result. Okay, I'm talking about Zachapu. Many people have written that Zachapu. Is anybody still coming in before I mark this script now? Zachapu. Zachapu. Okay, thank you. I have done it. Tochi, as when you did it, did he give you the result? As I'm saying, as I explained, Tochi, did he give you the result? When you press GR and press O, did he give you O with dot under? Tochi, did you get the result? Did you get the result? Oh, fine, perfect, good guy. You are sharp. You get Igbo blood for body. Igbo blood, they hot. You understand something quick. So you be Igbo guy. I salute you, Toshi. Okay, let's move on now. And we're talking about Zachapo. Wow, Toshi, you are now there. You are there. Zachapo. Okay. I don't see GR on my keyboard. It's there. That's the first line where you have Alt, O-R-A-R-T, Alt, Gra, the rest of them is there. The GR is after the bar, shift bar on your keyboard. After the shift bar by the right, you see GR. Talking to NT Agbo. After the shift bar, by the right of the shift bar is GR. Check your keyboard, you see it. On the same line with the shift bar. Check it now, NT Agbo. You are going to see GR there as a key. Okay, that's it. It's Alt GR. You see it there. Your own may be Alt GR or your own may be GR, only GR. But it's on that shift bar by the right of it. You see GR there. Check and confirm. Right. Now the word we're dealing with is Zachapu. Zachapu. What is the meaning of the word? Let me see who got the spelling right. Okay. Let me check. Igbo. Zachapu. Correct. Enyina, Zachapu, correct. Chikezie, Zachapu, correct. Tidrili, your U doesn't have dot under. Ozua, Zachapu, correct. Okay. Tochi, Zachapu, correct. Okay. Now, Igbo, clean up. You are going to the meaning, that's fine. Now let's deal with the meaning of Zachapu. Zachapu. Ngwa. That's my last word for today. I have only a few seconds to move. Zachapu. What is the meaning of the word? Ngwa. Be fast. I'm already clicking 2 hours here on seats. My bum is paining me already. Okay, clean up. Any other one? Clean up. Any other option? Delete. Okay, any other option? Clean up. Any other option? Sweep out. I love that. Complete the sweeping. Okay, that's all right. All right, I love the options. I love the options flowing in. Any other person coming in now? As we round up now. Okay, Zachapu. Okay, clean up is correct. No, it's not delete, it's clean. As you sweep with broom or with sweeping tools out of the house, sweeping something away, sweep out or clean up. Okay, they are correct. Can you use the word as sleep instead of clean? I don't know. Are you talking about sweep? Yeah, sweep. But if that's what you mean, but because you wrote sleep, S-L-E-E-P, I hope I think you're talking about sweep, S-W-E-E-P. So is it that sweep? Yeah, that's it. So you can use sweep out or clean up. Both are correct and both are acceptable. Now the sentence, let's deal with it. My time is up. Okay. Now, it's not still everything, though. It's not still everything at all. No. I don't think that's correct. Okay, let's take a sentence. Okay, Clean or sweep out the debris. Sweep out the debris. Sweep out the debts. Let me not even use debris. Debts. Dirty things in the house. Sweep out the debts. Sweep out the debts. Okay. One. Who is writing? Who is writing? Please, as you write, this is the last word for today and the last sentence for today. Don't forget to drop our flowers for us, our stickers for us, our super chat for us. Give us a super chat. Buy one for us. Only 2 people have given us super chat and super stickers today. What are the rest people doing? Have we not done well? If you think we've done well today, give us your super chat, give us your sticker, buy one sticker for us, buy a chat for us to say bye, to say thank you. That should be the last conclusion. Please, as you are writing that, write it with a sticker, write it with a super chat for us, drop it for us, show us love. We've done what we should do. Show us love, show us appreciation. Do this your response with a super chat. Give me your final answer with a super chat. Buy a super chat for us. Give us a super sticker. Show us love. Yes. And those of you who promise to buy books after this session, after this live session, don't forget to do that immediately. Remember, this video will be uploaded automatically. You open the description box, you see the link to the bookshop. Go to our channel description, you will see a link to our bookshop there. Open it up and buy up your books now. Don't waste time after this live session. Okay, and we're also going to pin the comment where we have the link to the bookshop. So you have many options to use. But the shortest one now is to go to our channel description and you see a link to our bookshop. Open it up and buy up your book now. Give us your chat. Give us your chat now. Super chat, super stickers. I think we deserve it. You give us now our flowers as a round up. Thank you for coming to class today. Let's mark now, finally. And then this zachapu unyahu. Okay, some people call it uni. Zachapu unyahu. Zachapu unyahu. Zachapu inyahu. Zachapu uni. Okay. Ini, uni. Okay, but uni, I think is more acceptable. Some people will even call it ahenya. You know, things that are debris. Okay, okay, but uni is accepted. Uni is fine. Okay, such as uni, okay, that's debris. That's great. Today's class is a lively one, interesting one, a great one. Appreciate all of you for coming to class today, and especially those who bought us stickers and who bought us a super chat. We appreciate you. And then those of you who also promised to buy our books, we appreciate you. Please remember to fulfill your promise as soon as we close this class now. And go, don't just buy our books, open them up, read them, learn them, and prepare yourself for the next lesson next week. Bye for now. See you next week. I'm out.